You know what they say about a big bag of henna. It needs a big container to put it in. Today I'm showing you how I mix my henna paste for hair. I'm using my food scale again to measure roughly 100 grams of powder. Wow, I forgot to grab a plastic fork, but I choose forks over spoons to mix my henna paste to get the lumps out. I stopped measuring how much water to add to the henna powder a long time ago. But you see this? This right here is too dry, so it needs more water. This right here, it's just right. I'll let my paste sit overnight for the dye to release, and it's definitely changed color, so I know it's ready. If you look close, you can see some of the original green color. This bag is more than enough to get the job done, so I'll eyeball this and use just half of the bag. Per my research, adding a pinch of salt helps the indigo dye to release. Once again, I am eyeballing the amount of water I'm using because I know that the consistency of my paste should be similar to that of brownie batter. This paste will be ready to apply to hair after 20 minutes, unlike the henna powder. And by the end of this video, I guarantee you'll notice the color change too. Next, I'll show you how I apply it. And as always, I hope you found this helpful.